Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you an awesome video. We're actually going to be doing a live interconnection of a 480 switchgear. So behind me I have our high voltage arc flash suit along with our safety mats that we're going to be standing on. So I'm actually on my way there right now. Hey guys, well here we are a day later. So I was able to get to the job site yesterday and determine that we didn't have all the correct parts and pieces. So we wrapped it up, went to the proper vendor locations, got what we needed, and we are scheduled now for the second day in a row. We opened everything up and have some really good ideas what I believe is going to be the best solution to this 480-277 high voltage live interconnection. So before we get started into this work, I want to make a disclaimer, and this type of work should only be done by extremely highly trained individuals that have years and years of experience and all of their safety PPE in order to do this job without jeopardizing anybody's life, liberty, or happiness. So please don't be doing this type of work for fun or recreational purposes or to show your friends any kind of cool electrical explosions. Let's go ahead and go over some of the safety equipment and our installation method. So as you can see, we have our high voltage arc flash suit, our high voltage safety gloves, 4 safety mats here that we're going to be standing on in order to do the work. The spec on this switchgear on the supply side is 1,000 amps. Each section is 1,000 amps. It's 480, 277 volt, 3-phase, 4 wire. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the installation method. Now, if we touch any one of these 2 phases together, we're going to actually encounter 480 volt-ish. So it could go up, it could go down a little bit. I'm going to guess that it's going to be a little bit higher than the 480. It's probably going to be closer to 500. All right. So we're actually holding steady at 497. And that one is holding steady at 499 volts. Okay, now let's do phase to neutral. All right, 286. 288. 287. And let's get to it. It can be a little cumbersome using the gloves sometimes, but it's definitely better than the alternative. Okay. All right, now let's put the wire. All right, and here we have a finished product.